Hello and welcome to Top Foreign. This time I bring you several opportunities with which you will be able to start earning easily in a fairly simple way, opportunities that really do not require any experience, that you can start from practically anywhere in the world. Now these are the methods which may be giving you a very good income, but for this I recommend that you make the complete video so that you do not miss a single detail, and you also have the opportunity to win easily and in a super simple way before starting. Welcome to Live No Boss, the channel where we will teach you how to earn money online in the easiest way. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell like this. Every time we upload a new video, you will receive notifications and you will have the latest way to earn money online, so don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box. We'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. Now let's go back to the video so you can see this new method. The first of the pages that we are going to be using to win is about from Apple. Here you will be able to start earning money quite effectively. In the next I will show how, and well, in fact this company has been trusted by super important brands, for example Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Pinterest, from Home Depot, Bing, Airbus, Google, and in Best Buy, Bloom, Oracle, Nextdoor, Dolby, to mention a few. The truth is that there are quite a few, and several of them, maybe I will mispronounce them, so better avoid it. But hey, here you can see the information on how the first step works is this, the second this, but hey, this is for information from companies that a little more information and good to start working. You click here on joint, and well, here you will be able to start working in a quite simple way, for example in micro tasks, survive, and data collection, language, projects, jobs, and in fact it has its own application for both Android and iOS in case you want to download it on either of the two operating systems. The truth is that you will be able to do it, although here I don't know why it didn't redirect me to the good. How you are going to apply, you simply click here on Apple. That's how easy you are going to register with your name, email address, password, confirm password. We accept terms and conditions, and that's it. It would be time to log in, as easy as this. We click here on Continuum, and that's it. As you see here, a little more information appears, for example the jobs you have available and your levels. For this you have to complete simple tasks. Look here, a little more information comes. Jeff history. Here you will be able to see a little more of the activities that you will have available and others now, so that you can start having all these tasks unlocked. First you will need to unlock your profile, because you will simply have to answer some questions that, for example, a questionnaire that, yes, for this you have to use, for example, Google Chrome, and well, as I told you to, you simply have to apply here. Yes, we also have, for example, the projects where you will be able to have other opportunities to win. The truth is that the micro tasks are also quite good. It is the interesting part, since here you will find super small jobs or jobs that are quite really easy to complete. It tests a fairly simple way. Make sure you don't activate your VPN, and also complete the tasks 100%, for example, otherwise they could put a flag in your account and no longer send you any activity like it happened to me. In fact, quite curious, because by showing the tutorials, for example, I have not even completed the task, which obviously restricted my account, but believe me, if you simply start doing the activities properly, you will not have any problem, especially because this page pays quite well, and the truth is that it is one of the best in terms of earning money online for carrying out micro activities, especially since it is dollarized. So obviously it is designed so that you can earn US dollars in a fairly simple and very good way, and quite big, but well, you also have the Sorvy and collection. Now this was the first of the pages. Let's go to the second, which is about micro workers. Here you will also be able to find small jobs or micro jobs, micro task, or micro tasks. The truth is that it is quite easy, and there are a lot of activities that you will be able to carry out. For example, find the image in a URL, find, for example, a certain profile or contact, find a certain relevant product, and look. The truth is that there are a lot of activities which you are going to be able to do, but believe me when I say a lot, maybe it will take me about 20 to 30 minutes explaining all of them, but hey, the page is about micro workers. Remember, you have the links in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can access all the pages easily and apply to the one you like the most. Now to register is as simple as clicking here on the registration button and completing all this data. That is really quite simple to do. You simply have to complete a few data to be able to continue with your activities. Well, once inside, a little more information appears here, for example, the activities and how much they are paying. Yes, there are some that pay very little, but the truth is that it is quite easy. For example here, you simply have to vote and leave a review on this one, and you take 5 cents. It's a little bit, yes, it may be very little, but keep in mind that it will only take a minute. And for example, in 10 minutes, it would already be 50 cents in 20 minutes, because we'll already be talking about the dollar, with which quite simply, in 20 minutes and $1, it's quite good. Yes, this is one of the simple tasks. Keep in mind that there are tasks that are paying much more for me. You click here on Moss, and as you can see here, we have activities for $2 activities, from one with 50 activities, from one with 37 activities, from 75 activities, from 50, from 40 to 33, 33, 30, 30. And so we have a lot. The truth is that there are a lot of different activities which are going to be paying you super well. That is not a miraculous method that is going to make you a millionaire overnight, but a method that is going to be giving you a few good dollars. You are going to see the rest of the activities that the truth is there are a lot. Look, for example, all of these are going to be paying you 10 cents, and that you can go browsing. As you see, we have up to 18 pages of pure activities which you will be able to complete. We also have, for example, CX research jobs, which would be more than anything surveys that actually pay quite well. And as you can see, it will only take you 14 minutes, $2, 23 minutes, $2 with 10, 1.23, 1 with 11, 1 with 11. And so we have a lot. The truth is that this page works quite simply. And in addition to offering you several opportunities here, for example, in SYNT or Kings, we're going to see that we have other activities for this. We simply have to send our data, grant access, and that's it. Now we're going to be able to start unlocking more activities. For example, from this page without software, we are going to answer a few questions. And for example, region, the truth is that there are quite a few. I am not going to answer them all, but the truth is that it will unlock many new questions. But good, as you see here, we also have, for example, HG jobs, which would be activities that are paying for other types of jobs. And look, for example, this one is fewer. We only have these types of activities, and the truth is that you will be able to find one or the other now. Here you will also be able to see the tasks that you have completed and others to be able to withdraw simply by clicking here on withdraw, and you will request a new form of withdrawal. For this, you can use, for example, PayPal, which only requires $5, Skrill, where it only requires $5, 11, where you need $9, Pioneer, and FM. The truth is that it is quite simple, and I think that, for example, for Cuba, they could use Airtem for sure. That's why I said I think if they don't want to use PayPal, or in fact they can't, then they can choose any of these other activities to be able to start earning in a fairly simple way. In addition to the fact that they could also deposit directly into their bank account, although this is designed more for the United States. In short, tell me how you thought about these new pages, and if you are going to start earning with them. I tell you, you can apply to either of the two from the link in the description or in the pinned comment so that you can easily access any information. We will update our blog. See you in the next video. Until the next music.